Here we are on Wednesday, September 8th, Vilano Beach, Florida. We've got the leading swell lines from Hurricane Larry out there. We've got Bill out there on his surfboard. I'm going to join him on my bodyboard, and we're going to take kind of an early lunch break today, do a little bit of bodyboarding, and it'll probably turn into a late lunch break as well. So a little bit of a long lunch today, but we'll get out there and have a little bit of fun. It's Bill!
Finally get some weight. Been a while.
Oh yeah. Well, there's been some little ones.
Yeah. I've already gotten worked a few times out here today.
Yeah, I saw you've been out here for a little while.
Jeez.
GoPro.
You know, just when you think it's like dead, and then you see this full set.
Oh, huge, super long period.
Oh yeah.
Like what, like 18 seconds or something?
Yeah, 18, probably, maybe even 22. It's crazy.
Where'd he go? There he is. Woohoo! Catch this one or not. What's wrong with your foot? Your leg? Your ankle?
Jellyfish.
Not today.
Sunday delight.
Oh, okay, with Sunday.
Sunday delight.
Phew.
You know, they say about how you can alleviate the pain.
You want me to do it for you?
It's already been done. I can attest that it apparently works. The problem is getting it to the source area.
Yeah, getting it injected.
That's right.
Injected. There's a lake kickoff that way. was more than 4 waves. That was more than 4 waves.
Yeah, that was a bonus.
Yeah, it's no bonus when you take the first one and have to paddle through the next 6.
Yeah, I took the last one.
Yeah, I got it. I had to sacrifice.
Had to pay the price.
I had to pay the price to get it. Get you on video. In the aftermath.
Trying to get the end of it.
Yeah, I caught the endless summer right all the way in, and then paid the price afterwards. That's why I missed your last 2 rides.
That's all right.
I got caught in the impact zone for about, felt like a half an hour.
Yeah, I was getting worked in there pretty good too. I thought I was outside. I think the outside's moving out.
Yeah, with the tide backing out. There we go. It's like a military Black Hawk helicopter. It's like a medic. Got the medic sign on it.
I wonder if that's one that the Taliban has.
It's the Taliban. They got all our choppers. They just flew in.
They're going to run out of the parts and they'll run out of maintenance.
Yeah.
Not bad for a Wednesday.
Not bad for a Wednesday, fall, summer lunch surf session.
Yeah, it still feels like summer, thankfully.
Okay, here we are with Bill.
Happy Wednesday. Happy Surf Wednesday.
Just finishing our lunchtime surf session here Wednesday, September
Feels like
8th or 9th or something like that. Beautiful day out here. Water temperature probably low 80s. Had about, I don't know, what, 4 foot, 5 foot swell?
Easy. Yep, 4 or 5 foot.
Leading
plus sets.
Leading edge of Hurricane Larry here.
Yep.
And we're going to head in, and then we're going to try it again tomorrow. Try it tomorrow morning, maybe the next day and the next day after that. That's right. If the swell holds.
We have any energy left.
Yeah. Go check out Bill on his YouTube channel.
It's, what is my channel? It is Beach Bums Forever.
Beach Bums Forever. Check him out. Okay, talk to you. See you next time.